Today I'm going to show you the unboxing of a printer that I just brought home. It's a Canon PIXMA MG2560 printer, and it's got the print, copy and scan functions in it. So today I'm going to show you the unboxing of this thing, and basically I will need this printer not every day, but when I need it I just need it, and it's really comfortable and handy to have one of these printers with you at home. And talking about the packaging, this is the cardboard box, and it doesn't really look that well built, but what I like it about most is that it's got these handles. And actually when I brought this home, I found out that these handles are very useful because you can easily lift the box with these handles. So that was pretty cool, having those handles there. And I believe that some of these cartridges are included in the box. So let's see what we have inside. So I'll be using this knife to open up the sellotape on this box, and I'll be using just one hand because I'm videoing with the other hand. So let's see how this goes. What do we have here? We have the instruction manual, I think how to set it up, how to insert the cartridges and all. So let's put that aside. And I think we have some storage instructions here as well on the box. And the printer is very well secured with the packaging inside, and I think this is good packaging. What we have here, I think this must be the, yes, as I expected, the color cartridge and the black and white cartridge, ink cartridge, and the power cable. And I saw somewhere in the packaging that the USB cable is not included. Okay, I'll be taking out the printer now. For this I have to use my both hands, so I have to take it little by little from both sides. Here we have the printer. This is the warranty card. I'll take it out, put it there. Now there's this foam packaging. I'll have to take it out as well. So I'm using only one of my hands to do this. I'll put the box away. Okay, so I have now unboxed my Canon printer. So we have the warranty card, the software driver CD, the power cord, and two cartridges, one black and white and one color. And this got the copy, scanning and printing functions, so it looks pretty smooth, and I'll be using this pretty soon for my work. So thank you for watching this video, and subscribe and like my channel for more unboxing videos like this. Thank you.